Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create lists in Hubspot. This is a great way to organize your contacts, manage them more efficiently, and improve how you segment audiences for marketing and sales activities. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to head over to your Hubspot global home, click on CRM, and then click on Contacts. From this page, you can see all of the contacts you currently have. Here, you can edit columns, select specific contacts, and make bulk edits. For example, you can assign contacts, share them, or enroll them in sequences. To create a list, head over to the search bar and search for lists. From there, you'll see the segments or lists that are already available. Within this section, click on Create Segment. Then choose the segment filters and segment limits you want to use. Select your contact criteria, and once you're done, click Next to create the list. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more helpful HubSpot tutorials.